Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have my sister Tapping Flamingo with me today, Terry Jeanette.
Hello.
And we are super excited to tell you it's almost here. That's right, folks. The virtual Blythe Retreat Taster. This is our very first taster we've ever held. And it's free to everybody. It's free, free, free. So we hope you join us. And it's going to start September 1st is the kickoff date, right, Terry?
That's right.
All right.
And
So
it's going to last the whole month of September.
right, the entire month of September. So the first week of September, every single day, for the first 7 days, we're going to be dropping workshop videos. So those workshop videos will be posted, originally published on our channel. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, to subscribe to her channel, and I will put links down below. Also, make sure you join us for free, again, over on the Blythe Doll Buddies group over on Facebook. We're going to publish the videos through our YouTube channels to make them available for everybody for free, but then we're also going to link them into the Blythe Doll Buddies group so that people over there can share their finished products, right, Terry?
Yes.
All right, so this, just so you know, the taster, if you haven't seen, this is, like the third video we've done. So some people are probably like, oh my God, girl, shut up.
And others are going, oh, I never heard of this.
I've never heard of this before in my life, right? Okay. So if you're like, oh, I've already heard of this, shut up, please bear with us. If you've never heard of it before, okay, this is your chance to find out what the virtual Blythe retreats are kind of like, because the taster is giving you guys a taste of what they're like. It's not exactly everything we do in a retreat. So Terry, talk a little bit about that, will you?
So basically, we are going to have workshops available. We always have workshops available at the main retreat with some other things, but for the taster, it's only going to be workshops. Tammy has 4, I have 3. Mine are jewelry related. Hers are more clothing related.
Right. Yeah.
And they're easy, fun workshops. And then after you make all the little thingies and put them on your doll, whether it's a Blythe doll or whatever other doll you want to use, then you show us what you made and you show your doll off
Mm-hmm.
in the Blythe Doll Buddies Facebook group.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's the plan. And typically what we do, we have these retreats in June. The big retreats that we run them in June, usually about midway through the month. We have a long weekend where we have all the workshops and all the other activities. And we typically create a Facebook group just for the retreat, and there's a nominal fee to join us. And we have all kinds of other things going on, prizes, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But we wanted to give everybody a chance who maybe hasn't gone to a retreat before to see what they're like. And a few of our viewers suggested calling this thing a taster, because we did a video a while back and we're like, this is what we want to do, but we don't know what we're going to call it. And shout out to those folks with the good ideas.
Yeah,
Um,
thank you.
yeah, taster is exactly right, because it's going to give you a taste. It's not exactly what a retreat's going to be like, but it's going to give you a good taste to see what we typically do. And typically we have all types of activities, but the meat of the retreats are usually making items for your doll. All right. And so that's
Yeah,
what we do. And we turn the dolls tend to be some kind of character or thematic fashion or something like that.
right.
And so as you can see, because we're all grunged up, the virtual Blythe Retreat Taster, the first one we're doing that starts September 1st, 2024 is grunge fashion. This past summer, our 2024 full-on retreat was sort of a party under the sea. So we made jellyfish and mermaids and all that kind of stuff. But this is totally different.
Yes.
Yes, we
No
heard you
water
folks.
involved.
Yeah, we heard you guys. You guys are like, we're over it, because, Terry and I are beachy chicks, so we're water babies. But this is super fun. I'm excited. In fact, I have my Beachly hat on, so it's kind of beachy for
Well,
me.
yeah.
Kind of. All right.
You're beachy grunge.
I'm beachy grunge. That's exactly. And that's okay. I think
Yeah.
they're out of California too, right? In
Yeah, well,
Florida.
there's a lot of different you have grunge, but then you have subcultures of grunge.
Right.
And I
Right.
think actually beachy is one of them.
Oh,
So
really? Oh. And Terry's actually been doing a lot of research lately about grunge fashion, and she's got a collection of links and video links that she's going to be sharing throughout the month, before and also during September. She's going to share over on the Blythe Retreat Buddies group.
yep, I already have one over there.
Yeah,
So
there's one over there already as we're filming. By the time I post this, there's probably going to be a few other ones. So again, There's links down below. Please join us on Blythe Doll Buddies over on Facebook. Even if you're not a Facebook fan, we hope give us a try, okay? But you will be able to access all the workshops through our YouTube channel. So you want to make
Right.
sure that you definitely subscribe to my channel and her channel so you don't miss any of those videos, okay? And we will be talking more about them and sharing them through all kinds of social media. Like I said, sometimes social media sees us and sometimes they don't. So Terry and I tend to be invisible
Yeah,
people
we're
sometimes,
invisible
right?
people.
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
It's something we have grown up with our
Yes.
whole life.
Yeah.
So,
Yes. In the real world, actually being invisible has been useful sometimes for me. But then a lot of times not. And definitely online, you don't want to be invisible.
no.
Don't want to. All right, guys, so we hope you join us. Please let us know down in the comments if you plan to join us for the taster. If you have any questions, suggestions, let us know. As usual, please give us a thumbs up. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye.
Bye-bye.